Welcome guys, so today I am with Beats Studio 3 and the Windows PC, and I'm going to show you how you can link these two devices. So at the first, we have to find this button and we have to click and hold it until this indicator starts blinking. So click, hold, keep holding. Right now we can release. We are in the pairing mode. The next step, we have to simply go for the Bluetooth settings. Yeah, and right now we have to go for the Bluetooth and devices. And we have to click here to turn on the Bluetooth and select add a device and select Bluetooth. Right now you have to be patient and just wait until our headset pops on the list. Okay, I already have this headset on my phone, but it's still not appearing right here on the list. But it looks like it's right here. Oh, I just misclicked. I just tried to connect with my phone. Never mind. But as you can see, at the bottom we can find the headphone. And on my private phone, it appears as the Beats Rico 86. So I guess that's our headset, because I don't have any other around. So if it's appear as a headphone, just click on it once. Let me just cancel this connection. Yeah. Okay, as you can see, the name has changed once you select the headset. And there it is. Right now we are successfully connected. And this indicators right now stop blinking. And it's only on the solid color. So it's on the red because it's almost fully discharged. So there it is. And that's how you can connect this device to your Windows PC. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.